It because one more brain now be fee able to lie against the money coming home. That decision, one of family soon and sana oba I didn't put a course so deciding say oba back to Ghana.
I think say me what Georgia no Narteh Amponsah, the former CEO of Asante Kotoko, no texting me or texting me through Instagram. Sammy, I want us to talk. Can I get your number? I said okay. Let me give me number the Emma. So we started talking. He said, oh, he wanted to build a team and he need 1 or 2 experienced players about joining. And I catch and say, oh, but I still have a contract with the Georgian team. My contract in a car by 6 months. And I say, okay, don't worry, think about it and let's move forward. I'm so okay. So I also sat down and I said, oh, Kumasa Asante Kotoko the platform, you know. So my coach in discuss. He said, I think I want to go back to Ghana. One chance I say, your contract 6 months, so why you want to go back? So and they can say yeah more sure. I'm so okay, no problem. So conversation and they was aside, you know. Then none of your friends so we meet in Ekosis and I'm so okay, I think say I can come. So they sent me an offer.
Kotoko send me an offer. And I said, "This one boost our stage in Pool."
That's what I'm saying. You know, Asamba, Ubia will see the Oka, Ebe Damano.
Okay.
And you know, bad news also travels more than the good ones.
It was a Kotoko send him offer.
Narteh Amponsah send him offer. Narteh Amponsah question says, so could share board. So could share board in we are, you get back to me. Of course, he get back to me. He sent me, when we phone someone who says here. He sent me an offer. I said, okay, no problem. Even Kotoko, if they don't have money, I'll come and play because Kotoko na my platform.
Odomo.
Me domo.
Okay.
So, me ba Ghana no. Me first that time the corona time, you know. So, and it's true, Obia and go out in this anyama. No. But me friend Nanayo. So I didn't start it from there. No, so could share manager and then okay, say okay, no problem. So I was there. And my for Sukra could share a large lami and tema. On the maintenance will be sub woman now, or the maintenance will be same said then echo Safi and Fimunina, be Mudian echo Safukra and also member Kumas. I mean, I'm so when say football there's rules and regulation. You can't say because I'm legend Samuel Inkoom me page me back say Chinchina me boss Asante Kotoko. It doesn't happen that way. And I have to also respect the coach there who was in charge at that time. But I think say at that time there was a little bit misunderstanding between the CEO and the coach. I think so.
The CEO and the coach?
Yes, I think so. Because Eba say they have 4 rightful backs in the position at that time. So
and I never know when I coach.
No,
the first season.
That time no wakofa August ne Japan about first.
Okay, into the first season no buy.
The second round na issue buy say only Narteh Amponsah enya issue.
Okay, yes. Okay.
That period
no. Okay.
Yeah, so there was a little bit misunderstanding between them. So I don't the okay, upa somebody by me coach me so say me see be o ne that kind of way. So I accepted it in a good faith. I was there in Alhaji Lami office, no friend Narteh Amponsah. See, then Narteh Okachin say, you have to talk to the coach. I was at the office. But fans need be in nim idea way. And what do Tima sometimes and so we change some baby. Let them take it how they are taking it.
Then a banana better want to say what cassette and Narteh Amponsah.
Oh. That is what I'm saying. And then me ba asamno so no. O say asamba obia wo see the offer canon. Obia me kwanche fans ni be about attacking mo me fie ni ade nyina. Me internet so ye di matem I'm ungrateful I'm this but I don't the day I wish they were in my shoes at that time. But obende team no do team no nti dey be bia
no afanisa na sometime na one Kotoko some the course back and forth no eba ne say na dey chi hu say wo house training ground and na house na wo kasa wo chira na
house ni men kasa wo chi. I did everything to go to Kotoko, my brother,
and now you stating categorically.
My brother, I'm telling you, I did everything. everything to go and play Asante Kotoko. But the chance was not given to me. I did everything. Baby, the SME, my friends say, oh, I saw Kotoko. I did it. But they told me that, okay, see. So, Mr. Mika said, okay, football is my job. So, I have to play. Inti me one ana me friend of friends me ana me taxi sule. So my baby say na me come pesa me ba na me no mba training. So initially I didn't go to House of Folk say okobo House of Folk. Because I want to go there to train because me team in face even though ko gym na but still you have to do the ball work. And the so is okay bi nya butre no ni coach be there e be kasa. Nto ni coach kasa so like him could share coach or Bolga. That time I'm happy man beaters some year tournament to be a Bolga. So I was also part of the offense way no scout to scouts in the year. Let me share a kasa Inkoom. No say oh how there any problem because we behind him say Kotoko. And then we will just take it from there. So my first training, second training a Wayo. House of Folk why you buy no be buy no be o yam pin mo nko bibia bio de gidigidi o be ye video ni ade saa time na ye din komo akwakyire ma alaja kambi Efreme enemy kasai ene ade Vincent Udute Efreme ye kasai ene ade na okay I say okay no problem let me make that decision but I also think that House of Folk is not a bad thing. We have two biggest teams in Ghana.
Kotoko has.
Yes, and even in Africa.
Club career why do you love Togbe Afede so much?
He's a man that I think that he has so much passion for football. He think about football too much, you know. His Royal Highness Togbe Afede the 14. I love him. I love him, and I like him also in such a way that he know what he's doing, and I think he want to take House of Folk team to different level.
Hey, Inkoom,
I'm being honest with you.
Let's not be the thing now, Kasana, because as a fans now are on a different level, and also I will know maybe I'll cut to Bassam. It's a different.
Brother, let me put it this way: you think somebody will spend money and get stone back? Be honest. Everybody wants to spend money and get proper returns. Get money back. I understand the fans. Kotoko and House of Folk is for the fans. I keep on saying. Timini Omodia.
Okay.
But also Judodia. See, also in a lot of investors in the game. See, one or two you will give them. We have to cherish them. We have to give them. I'm not saying everything that they are doing is perfect, but I say you say okay, you see, and then if you say and the fan be our so folk who put be my and near there. So if you think say if he doesn't have that, a bit may happen, anything may happen. Nobody is perfect in this world. We all make mistakes and we all learn from our mistakes. So I think say so Kotoko fans and Kotoko fans, House of Folk fans, and body adu. Fans the person team ni koye. Team ni start so omu Lucia. They don't mind. Oma so aye there.
The
actual. Now, how has economy? The progress. The progress neighbor. The momu lose two or three games in Shade. Yankupon for Samba. Me me cancer. Na Shade. The table 10. The table 10 again because fans no more than winning is their bonus. And we shouldn't also say fans and they are doing something bad. No, they also want the betterment for the team as well.
Okay.
But say media they say kabom ya baako. Ya bodia ebeye because that is what they are doing. They have fan base. They have fans amuto season ticket. They have meetings, Zoom meetings, how the team will go. When this is something that I think we have to do. But Kotoko and House of Folk, I think all of them they are doing well. Both the team, the playing body, the technical team, and the fans. Let's hope for the best.